Welcome to a world of green goodness and compassionate living. Today, we celebrate World Vegetarian Day, a day dedicated to honoring the joys and benefits of a vegetarian lifestyle. In this special exploration, we'll uncover the origins of this observance, when and how it's celebrated, sprinkle in some fun and lesser-known facts, and unveil the secrets to the incredible health benefits of vegetables. World Vegetarian Day, Origins and Celebration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more enlightening adventures. Let's begin. Glowing Star. 1. Genesis of World Vegetarian Day. World Vegetarian Day was established by the North American Vegetarian Society, NAVS, in 1977. It was endorsed by the International Vegetarian Union in 1978. 2. When is World Vegetarian Day celebrated? Every year on the 1st of October, individuals and communities worldwide come together to celebrate the benefits of a vegetarian lifestyle. 3. Why October 1st? October 1st marks the beginning of Vegetarian Awareness Month, serving as a perfect launch for a month-long celebration promoting the benefits of vegetarianism. 4. Fun facts about vegetarianism. Ancient roots. Vegetarianism has ancient origins, with records dating back to ancient India and Greece, where certain philosophical and spiritual groups practiced vegetarianism. Famous vegetarians, Leonardo da Vinci, Mahatma Gandhi, Albert Einstein, and Steve Jobs were famous vegetarians. Varieties of vegetarians. There are various types of vegetarians, including lacto-vegetarians, ovo-vegetarians, and vegans, each with specific dietary preferences. Sustainable choice. Embracing a vegetarian diet significantly reduces one's ecological footprint and contributes to a more sustainable planet. 5. Health secrets of vegetables. Abundant nutrients. Vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, promoting overall well-being. Disease prevention. A plant-based diet can help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Weight management. Vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, aiding in weight control and promoting a healthy metabolism. Gut health. The fiber in vegetables supports a healthy gut, aiding digestion and promoting a balanced microbiome. In Italy, a country with a rich culinary tradition including many vegetarian dishes, World Vegetarian Day is celebrated with themed dinners, cooking workshops, and cultural events focusing on vegetarianism. Common celebratory practices. Vegetarian food festivals. Many countries host food festivals, showcasing an array of vegetarian dishes and products, encouraging people to adopt a plant-based lifestyle. Cooking demonstrations. Renowned chefs or cooking enthusiasts often conduct cooking demonstrations to exhibit innovative and delicious vegetarian recipes. Awareness campaigns. Various organizations run campaigns promoting the benefits of a vegetarian diet, encouraging people to embrace a more sustainable and compassionate way of living. Celebrating World Vegetarian Day is a way to honor the choice of a vegetarian lifestyle, promote its benefits, and encourage others to consider adopting this sustainable and healthful path. Fascinated by the global celebration of World Vegetarian Day? Like and subscribe for more exciting cultural and lifestyle insights. Let's explore the beauty of diversity together.